Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to proceed with this drafting would be to begin the drawing in the front view. So this is the front view. We'll begin by drawing this lower rectangle and the dimensions are 290 units by 30 units. After we have drawn this lower rectangle, then we'll draw these two circles of 60 dia and 100 dia and we'll take this as the center point, and then from here we'll move it to the right at a distance of 180 units and then upward at a distance of 70 units. So the circle will be placed at the rightful position. Then we'll draw one line from here of 60 units. Then take it vertically upward 70 plus 30, that is 100 unit, and then join it with this circle. We'll also draw one line quadrantial to the circle and perpendicular to the rectangle. Then we'll fillet this at a radius of 30 units. Then we'll draw this circle with the same center point of the fillet and a diameter of, you can see it's given here, 25 units. Once we have done that, then we will go into the 3D isometric view and we'll push pull this circle to a distance of 112 units. Then this entity at a distance of 25 units and lower rectangle at a distance of 100 units. Then we'll copy this entity to the left. Then we'll draw a circle of 25 dia and we'll also take it copy it on the other side over here as well, and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drafting. So we'll first begin by changing the view to the front view. So I click over here in my drawing and change it to front view. We'll begin by drawing a rectangle, and that rectangle will be of 290 units by 30 units. So we come to our drawing and we go into the home tab, select rectangle and draw one rectangle of 290 units by 30 units and press enter. Next we have to draw the two circles and the diameter is 60 and 100, and we'll use this as the center point for the circles. So we come to our drawing, select center diameter. This is the center point. First circle diameter 60. Again center diameter. This is the center point. Second circle diameter 100. Now we have to move it to the right at a distance of 180 units, which is specified here. So we come to our drawing and we type move, turn the ortho on, click here and move it to the right. Distance is 180 units, press enter. Now we have to move the circle upward and you can see the distance is 70 units. From here to here the distance is 70 units. So we'll come to our drawing and again type move and select both these circles, press enter. This is the center point, move it upward 70 units, hit enter. Now we'll draw this line of 60 units and vertically upward 70 plus 30, that is 100 units. So line from here to the right 60 units, upward 100 units, and then let it intersect the outer circle like this. Then we press escape and we trim the excess part of the line from here. Now we have to give a fillet, and fillet distance is 30 units. So we come to our drawing, select fillet, select radius 30 units, and then select the two lines, and we get the fillet. Now we have to draw this circle, and the diameter is 25. So we come to our drawing, center diameter, use the same center point of the fillet, diameter is 25, and hit enter. Finally, we have to draw one line quadrantial to this circle and perpendicular to the lower rectangle. So we come to our drawing, select line, and we select quadrantial to this circle and perpendicular to the lower rectangle, and hit enter. So our basic profile is now ready. So once this is done, then we'll go into the 3D isometric view by clicking on this home icon. And we'll now begin by push pulling this circle. And you can see the push pull distance is 112. So we select push pull, we click over here and take it inward. Distance is 112 and hit enter. We press escape to come out of press pull and change the visual view to shades of gray. Then this part we have to give a thickness of 25 units. So again press pull, we select this part and give it a thickness of 25 units, and you can turn the grid line off by pressing F7. And finally, the lower rectangle is there, we want to give it a thickness of 100 units. So again press pull, we select this lower rectangle and give it a thickness of 100 units and press enter. Now we are left with creating these two circles at the either end and copying of this object, as well as pulling this circle outward. So let's begin by pulling this circle outward. So if you see, the distance given is 6 units. So again we come to our drawing, use press pull, click on this and move it outward. Distance is 6 units and hit enter. So we get this extrusion. Now we have to copy this part. So again we press escape to end the press pull and we type copy and select this, hit enter, give this point, and you can type perpendicular to this point over here, and then press escape to end the copy command. Next we'll draw this circle of 25 dia and separate it from this edge at a distance of 36 units. So we'll select center diameter, we'll highlight this and then type mid, click over here and give the radius as 25, press enter, and then use the move command and select the circle, give the center point and move it inward at a distance of 36 units, press enter. Now we have to copy this circle to the right also, and you can see from the right side also the separated distance is 36. From the left side also it is 36. and this hole is 290. So center to center distance should be 290 minus 36 minus 36. So we call the calculator and we type 290 minus 36 minus 36, that is 218. So again we come to our drawing and we type copy and hit enter and select this circle, give this as a center point, and center to center distance is 218 and press enter. You have to be very careful that it's on the same plane, so that we use the free orbit tool and you can see it's already copied here. And now we have to use the press pull and give a cut. So we use the press pull and select this circle and give a cut through it, and select this circle and give a cut through it, and our geometry is now complete. You can go back into the 3D isometric view and change this to parallel perspective. So friends, in this video tutorial we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.